Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add family members in your Uber account. Now, of course, you need to have your Uber installed on your mobile device and you need to be signed into whatever Uber account that you're using that you want to add that specific family member or family members to. So once you are here, you want to tap on the account option on the bottom menu of your screen like so. Then once you are here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see family. So it is above settings, right? So tap on family. So it says manage teen, adult, and senior accounts like so. Once you are here, it's going to tell you this. So take care of your family with Uber. Want to pay for your loved ones? Invite a family member ages 18 plus to create a family profile where you can pay for your family's trips. You can get updates and you can manage your family members. And you can you can add up to 10 family members on this account. So all you need to do is tap on invite family like so. And you will be needing to have that family member on your contacts list. So we're going to do that right now. Choose a contact. So for me, it's going to be like my mom, for example. So tap on that and then choose mama, as you can see, and just enter their name, last name, contact number, and then press save. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.